Well, I'm all ready to paint a few more dash items. Got a fan blade there. Got my exhaust fan running there. Got my under seat heater motor. Got the top cover for it. And I have the blower motor for the firewall heater or the fan. So we're gonna get going here. I got the epoxy primer mixed up and we're ready to go. Okay, I got the primer on, and it needs to dry for about 90 minutes before I put the top coat on. See you later. Luke, I am your father. No, actually I'm getting ready to put some finish coat on here. I got the epoxy primer done. Looking pretty good. None of this will probably be ever seen again, but it sure is going to be pretty. So I'm going to fire up the fan and we will get this thing on the road. Wowee. Isn't that the prettiest stuff you'll never see again once I install it? Very nice. The fan blade will be all happy, spinning around looking pretty. Very nice. Never see it again. Once you get the front seat on, this will be all covered up, but boy is it pretty. Yes sirree, Bob. So, a couple more things done.